You're getting tired of your scattered wirings? Or you want to add new wires onto your project and be able to figure out which wire goes to where? Don't worry, I got you. I'll help you label your wire. First we need is the label maker, heat shrink tube, clear heat shrink tubes, this is optional, and a heat gun. And hair blower works too. Grab your label maker. You can choose powering in between an adapter or batteries. Open up the label maker, and this is where you install the heat shrink cartridges. There are several types of heat shrink tube sizes. One's a 5.8 for 22 to 14 gauge wires, 8.8 for 12 to 10 gauge wires, 11.7 for possibly 8 to 6 gauge wires. But I would suggest buying the 5.8 because it can be used for most common automotive wires. Install the heat shrink tube. Turn it on. You can adjust the font, label, frame, symbol, and other settings. Grab your wire and install your label tube. Get your heat gun. Now grab a clear heat shrink tube and install it.